Are you looking for a place where you can live life to the fullest in one of Metro Atlanta's best kept secrets? Look no further. This is it. Come on in. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice how amazing the layout is of this home. The open floor plan flows seamlessly, making it ideal for form and function. This kitchen is a dream. It is bright with white cabinets and a custom island. And don't miss this spacious flex room downstairs, ideal for the home office, playroom, gym, or anything else you can imagine. And check out my favorite part of the house, the newly added primary suite on the main floor. What I love about this is how luxurious it feels. The oversized bedroom looking out over this gorgeous and lush backyard. And wait till you see this incredible bathroom filled with daylight, and check out this soaking tub. Absolutely to die for. The additional bedrooms are tucked away with lots of natural light, each offering ample space and comfort. And for the grand finale, this incredible backyard. Definitely one of the most appealing backyards on the market right now in Smyrna. So if having lots of outdoor space to play is important to you, you might need to come see this one for yourself. If you're planning a move here to Forest Hills, one of Smyrna's oldest neighborhoods, prepare to make a friend. The neighborhood here is tight-knit and looks out for each other, making it a great community to be in any stage of life. The tree-lined streets and inviting front yard make 3446 Lee Street picture perfect. From here, you're just a 2-minute drive to Tullison Pool, 3 minutes to Hawkins Field, 4 minutes to Rev Coffee, 5 minutes to Smyrna Market Village, and 10 minutes to Truist Park. So what's it like living in downtown Smyrna? Don't let this suburban city fool you. There's always something happening here. The area is full of life, partly thanks to the city being highly proactive in the community, hosting all kinds of events like Food Truck Tuesdays, festivals, the annual father-daughter dance, and you'll be happy to know there's even a free summer concert series on the green. Don't forget about the annual Smyrna birthday celebration with fireworks in August. If you're ready to turn your house hunt into a welcome home, call me, Melanie Hunt, with the Hunt Home Team. Until then, we'll see you next time.